The fulfillment of Jewish anticipation, the Lion of the tribe of Judah. Mark pictures Jesus in a...
Folks can feel connected to tribe more than friendship, and the consequence of that may be...
Kingdom, or simply Israel, sometimes referred to by its largest tribe, the tribe of Ephraim. God will address them.
Trilogy by Nnedi Okorafor. It follows this girl named Benti. She is a part of the Himba tribe, which is a group of people living in Africa that have a tradition.
10, Ephraim. So here, Ephraim doesn't mean a person, doesn't mean a tribe, means the northern kingdom of Israel.
Look, the Lion of the tribe of Judah has prevailed to open the scroll. So I looked, John says, and I saw...
American Indian art collection, which represents pieces from nearly every tribe across the United States. But the museum, which is comprised of